Alrighty, let's get into those adverbs. Woohoo! All right. So adverbs describe your verbs. Oftentimes they end in ly. Now, of course, this is not always the case, but it is a good indicator that you have a verb if it ends in ly and it is describing something else. So these words often answer a question: how, when, where. And when you are looking at your sentence, you have to be able to pick these out. But of course, if you can pick out your subjects, your verbs, and other adjectives, that it will help you to pick out the adverb. Okay, let's look at the first sentence. Hurricanes. 235. We're on page 235 in your packet. Excuse me. So, hurricanes without moisture quickly weaken. Okay. So, you have your subject. Your subject is the who or what. And we are talking about hurricanes in the sentence. So, hurricanes is your subject. Hurricanes, what? What do they do? Remember, your verb is not always going to be directly next to the subject, okay? So please put all that we have practiced into place here. Hurricanes is the subject. What do? They weaken, okay? They weaken. So weaken is going to be your verb. And how they weaken is quickly. So quickly describes how it weakens. That is your adverb. Okay. Then we have the next example. The storm hit the island today. Alrighty. So again, let's look at a few things, and we're also going to pick out our special adjectives because we're going to need to put those in our diagram as well. The simple subject here is the storm. That is the what in the sentence. Your verb, well, it hit. The storm hit. What is directly affected by this storm or being hit? It is the island. Therefore, the island is your direct object. So now we can go back, okay? Storm is described with the. Okay, that's your special adjective. So the is going to go underneath of storm. Hit. Well, let's look back up at your sentence. How, when, or where? Do we see a word that gives us the how, when, or where? Okay. When was it hit? Today. So today is going to be your adverb. Today describes when the island was hit. That needs to go on your line underneath of hit. And then island. Island is also described by the. Okay, the island. Special adjectives. Let's take a quick look at what is in the green box because that is important as well. So adverbs that mean no are negative. Common negative adverbs include not, never, nowhere, or rarely. These are all negative, okay? Negative words. In your guided practice, number 1, number 2, and number 3, I want you to look over to the side and fill in the blanks with the proper word. I will do one with you just for example. So 1, how, okay? How was something done? Let's look into our box. Well, something can be done slowly. Slowly would be your first blank. And how was it done? It was done correctly. Okay. So slowly and correctly should be listed into your blank spaces there. And now what I want you to do is 2, 3, 4, and 5 on your own. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me or have your parents reach out to me so that I can assist you. But we know to read directions, and I think you will do great. Alrighty, bye-bye.